Hi, I'm Dr. David Shannon. I have a dental office in Northridge, California. I'm on Northridge Street. I'm between Tampa and Reseda. And I wanted to talk a little bit about a missing tooth or missing teeth. A lot of patients come in and they have questions about that, and I want to clarify a lot of things. I know a guy who has no teeth in his mouth and he still eats 3 meals a day. So what good are teeth? Well, obviously that's a joke, but it's true. If somebody doesn't have any teeth in their mouth and they don't have a denture to replace their teeth, they're not going to starve to death. They're not going to enjoy their meals. They're not going to eat the same thing you or I are going to eat, but they're still going to eat. So let's look at it really fairly. If you're missing a tooth, why is that important to you? I mean, you got a busy day, you're working 8 hours a day, you got a job, maybe you have 2 jobs. You say, oh, I'm missing this tooth since I'm 10 years old. What difference does it mean? What difference does it matter? Well, it really does matter, because everything in your mouth is balanced like if you go to one of those circus acts and you see all these people and they're all sitting in a pyramid and they're on each other's back, and then the guy in the middle collapses and then everything just falls apart and they're all laying down on the ground and everybody's laughing. It was a real, a clown comedy act, because the guy in the middle collapsed. Well, that's what happens with your teeth. The guy in the middle collapses and everything collapses around him. And you learn to live with that collapse. Why? Because you've been missing the tooth since you're 10 years old. So you say to yourself, why should I replace the tooth now? I'm 40 years old, I've been missing this tooth for 30 years, and I haven't missed a meal. Well, remember the guy that didn't have any teeth. He hasn't missed a meal either. But he doesn't know what he has, just like you don't know what you have. Missing teeth cause bigger problems. It causes problems in your jaw. When that jaw starts clicking and popping and you can't open your mouth properly and your teeth don't come together properly, it's causing things inside you that you don't even know are going on. Why? Because they're not giving you a lot of pain, so you're living with it. So you're living with that neck that has to be twisted a certain way. Or you're living with that 2 Advil 3 times a day that you're blaming on your job, but your teeth are wearing down because you're grinding them at night trying to find a whole new position for them. So when you wake up in the morning, you can hardly open your mouth to brush your teeth because everything is just so sore in there. And you just figure, well, it's the stress of the job. There's all these things are happening to you in your life. It's your wife, it's your boyfriend, it's your kids, it's whatever it is. But it's not. It's the fact you're missing that tooth. The dentist has an answer for you. It's a simple, easy answer. Put a tooth in there. Get your life straightened out. You don't want to spend all your time having major things going on in your life that you have no control over. You can control this problem by simply replacing the tooth. And there's new ways of replacing teeth. It's not like the old days where you had to take your teeth out at night and put them in a glass like my grandmother did. It's not the fact that you have to take your other teeth and drill on them and grind them down into these little teepees to stick something in there with cement that every once in a while when you eat that candy you're not really supposed to be eating and it pulls your bridge out. And you got to run back to the dentist and get it re-cemented, and you throw it in the top drawer because you have no time for that, and it gets thrown away or something, or your wife decides she's going to send it in to somebody and get the cost of the gold for it because gold is so expensive these days, and make some money. That's not what you do. Today we have implants. An implant is a simple procedure. You go in, it takes a few minutes. You're actually getting a tooth screwed into the bone. You get a beautiful white shiny tooth cemented to it, and you're back in business. All your teeth are the way they're supposed to be. They're even, they're biting down properly, your jaw muscles are finally relaxing, your facial muscles are opening up, your neck is straightening. All kinds of good things will happen to you, as well as the fact that your mouth will be balanced again. Now you can chew on the right side and the left side. I got a buddy who hasn't chewed on his left side in 4 years. I keep telling him, come in. He says, I have no time, I'm in real estate market's terrible, I'm running around trying to buy and sell things all the time, there's nobody out there. The thing to do is get your mouth back in balance. And when your mouth is in balance, your whole body's in balance. And when your body's in balance, your life is in balance, and I guarantee you the greatest things will happen to you just for that one new tooth that you're going to put in there. But really, come in, see me, see any dentist. Talk to somebody. Talk to a professional that has the proper answers about replacing teeth that are missing, because that's really what you want to do. Replace what's not there, because we were made by God to have a certain number of teeth, and our mouths are supposed to be a certain way, and that's the way it's going to work, maximal efficiency, and that's the way you're going to be in balance with everything around you. So take a look at some of our videos. We got different videos on technical things and other questions that you may have, and I hope this was helpful for you. And I'm here. My website is here on the page. My phone number's here. If you want to call the office, you're welcome to come in if you're nearby in Northridge, and we can answer all your questions, take some time, and talk about your specific situation. Thank you.